Okay. No, again, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. This is another way of how to make money online. This is my suggestion 34. Yes, my suggestion 34. Please don't forget to check out suggestions 1 through 33 on my channel here. Okay, so my number 34 is to register on reward sites. Now, a reward site is a website that offers rewards for performing tasks, usually related to selected retailers and organizations. In order to start making money, you need to create an account with the reward site and complete the little tasks such as searching the web, watching videos, playing games, printing coupons, shopping, and other short tasks. Most of the reward sites will pay you in direct cash deposits or Amazon gift cards. All of these sites have a threshold that you have to meet before you can redeem your earnings or gift cards. Once you've reached once you've earned enough money to meet the threshold, you can then cash out or avail your gift cards. Now, here's a following of reward sites that